this is Martha Martinez, and I will be giving you some information about the first resource for my AEP 800 class, and I chose to do it over Blooket. So Blooket is accessible through Blooket.com, and it is a free web-based app. They do have a paid version, but the only thing that I saw that was different with the paid version was that there is more access to reports and more in-depth information. I selected this resource because my students are getting kind of tired of using quizzes, which is what I normally use for a review. So I wanted to find something different that was engaging and fun. My purpose of this application would be for review. That's what I would use it for, or even for an exit ticket. My intended audience, of course, is my students, but it could even be used as a staff development option. I think it would be kind of fun to play with my coworkers. And the two standards that I covered with this resource would be the ISTE standard for leader 2B and 2C. So this application, the first thing is when you log into Blooket.com, it's going to give you the option to log in or sign up. Sign up is free. Once you sign up, you can go ahead and log in, and your sets will show up here. Now, you can import sets from Quizlet. I have not done that, but they do have the option to discover sets, which is a way for you to already use some that other people have already created. Once you select the set that you want to play, there's a couple of different options. You can scroll down and see all of the different questions, and you can play it by yourself, or you can host it. When you click host, it's going to give you the options of the different mini games that are available. I will say that there is a bunch of different mini games, and they do take getting used to, so I would definitely go through them and play them before just allowing especially the little ones to try to play them, because they do have some rules and some different things that you have to do in order to understand how to play them. So I played all of them and tried all of them, and I think my favorite was Factory. So then after you select the mini game, it's going to give you an option to either assign it as homework or to host it. If you're doing it as a whole class, I would definitely host it, and then it's going to give you some different options. You can do a timed play or a cash play, which means they will play until a certain player reaches a certain amount of cash. They will also have different settings that you can choose and different times. So when you have looked at all the settings, you click host now, and it's going to give you a gaming ID as well as the website for students to type in and play, or you can copy the link and send it through Google Classroom or whatever learning platform that you use. So I have tried it just with myself because I just discovered it today, and I really do enjoy it. Again, I think it's going to take a lot of modeling and explaining for my students to get each of the little games, but I think once they get it, it is really engaging and the characters are fun, and I really enjoy that there's different mini games to it, and I think that that's what's going to make my students want to play it. So overall, I think it's a great app. It is very fun and engaging. Again, I don't think it's suited for the little kids, but I definitely do think that the upper grades could have fun using it. Thank you.